Hello from Senegal, welcome to a new vlog. And in my last video, I showed that I visited a local market because I wanted to cook biryani for my in laws. And on the day that I landed in Senegal, I mentioned it casually to my father in law that I would love to make you guys try Indian food. And he got very excited. So he asked me if I was gonna make biryani a couple of days ago. But like I didn't, that day I didn't have all of this stuff. So I thought, let me go to the market, get the stuff, and let's, make everyone try Indian food. And in this video, we're gonna be showing raw chicken. So if you get grossed out, maybe you could skip the video because that's just the reality of the world. People do eat non-vegetarian food, and especially in countries of Africa where non-vegetarian is the most important diet. You cannot do without non-vegetarian food. Even if it's not chicken, people will eat fish or meat, some kind of like beef or lamb or something. That is just how it is. I thought I'll get ready and stuff, make a nice video, but too tired. We cannot impose our vegetarian choices on someone else, so that's just the diet. And despite giving this huge lecture about food, I myself get kind of grossed out, when it comes to touching non-vegetarian food like raw chicken and stuff. It's not like I don't do it. I do it. Obviously, I run a kitchen and I'm a chef, so I have to do it. But here the thing is, you don't get butchered chicken. Like, you don't get chicken cut. You have to bring a whole chicken at home and cut it yourself. That is the norm. Maybe they do it in bigger supermarkets and all, but not in this area. So I was like, I'm very thankful to my sister-in-laws who did all of the heavy duty work, like the cleaning, cutting, a lot of chopping vegetables and all that, because I had never cooked for such a large gathering before in my life, and without their help I wouldn't be able to do it. And I was very worried that I'm gonna mess up the recipe, which I did. Here comes a round of ataya. Life here, any gathering here is kind of impossible without this mint tea, which is so sweet that you'll see stars. So because I couldn't get biryani rice, like the proper Indian biryani rice, I used the local short grain rice, and that obviously impacted the recipe. I couldn't get the proper authentic biryani, but I think taste wise it was fine. At least everybody liked it. That's what they said. But yeah, here people are very very, like, very nice and welcoming. So that was the sweetest part about them. Everyone came together, entire family, even like relatives got together, and everyone enjoyed the food. And there was a lot of singing and dancing. Whenever there's a gathering or any happy occasion, people will usually come together and gather, and there'll be dancing and music. And these kids are literally my joy. I love getting entertained with them here, scalding myself, but my sister-in-law kind of like came right and right on time. And then here we are serving the biryani. As you can see, it is not proper biryani. I could not get the perfect consistency for biryani. So yeah, next time if I try to make biryani, I'm gonna get proper biryani rice from the grocery store and attempt it once again. And if not, then maybe I can try some other Indian food. I also made coconut chicken curry eventually, which they also liked. And yeah, everyone had fun. Community meals are very common in Senegal. That's the norm. It's not common, it's just the norm. Everyone comes together and there's a huge large plate, and people join in and eat from that together. And my husband taught the kids how to say the food is good in English. And this little one is a foodie just like me. We love to eat, both of us. And he enjoys every food. He's not picky at all. He's super sweet. Like, I love him to death. And yeah, then we had a lot of singing and dancing, and then that's about it. We had a lot of fun, and we ended the afternoon with mangoes and beverages, cold beverages. We had soft drinks, and after that I was so tired from the heat and everything. I was exhausted, so I just went off to sleep. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. See you guys next time. It's good. Merci, merci beaucoup. Is very good. Merci, merci, merci beaucoup. Yes. Merci.